It may be difficult to believe, but you were merely a dream, a fantasy. And then you came my way. You with your loud laughs, you with your breathtaking gaze, you with your oh so cute braces, and your exquisite fashion sense. I couldn't help but fall in love. Why? Because you were perfect.
Watch you smile while you are sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent